As you read, you want to ask yourself, what key words does the writer include, and what do those words mean? On my chart, I wrote key words and meanings at the top. Then I reread page 26. Hi, Isabel. There was a big blizzard in our town last week. We couldn't go to school for 3 days. I built a huge snow castle when it stopped snowing. Last night, we saw the northern lights. We often see them in winter. They look like green shapes that move slowly across the sky. My mom made some Inuit boots for you. We mailed them today. I hope you like them. Yours truly, a kike. I found keywords such as blizzard, northern lights, and Inuit boots. I wrote them here in the first column. I know the meaning of blizzard would be a large snowstorm. I know that because the text says it built a huge snow castle when it stopped snowing. So I was able to infer that that meant a large snowstorm. Northern lights? I think that means an Arctic light show, because I see in the text that they look like green shapes that move slowly across the sky. The other key word I found was Inuit boots. I think the meaning of Inuit boots is a warm footwear worn in the Arctic. I can tell by looking at the picture. Don't those look warm to you?